Good morning, students. Welcome to your new science class. And today I am going to start with a new chapter, that is our festivals. In this chapter, your chapter has been divided into 2 to 3 parts, and I am going to break it in 3 to 4 parts. Okay. So first part, which the subtopic will be the places and the religion. First the religion, and then after the places where different community, that is different religious people, go to worship. So let us first study with the subtopic, that is places places of worship. Places of worship. Now, in our country, we are having people of different religion. Many. In our country, we have people of different religion. And now, what is this religion? Religion is something which is being followed or which is being made followed by a community to a newborn baby. আমরা কিন্তু যখন জন্ম নিই তখন কিন্তু আমরা কেউ হিন্দু মুসলিম আর শিখ খ্রিস্টান হই না, আমরা কিন্তু একটা মানুষ হিসেবে জন্ম নিই, রাইট? উই টেক বার্থ অ্যাজ আ হিউম্যান বিং। Whenever a new baby, that is your new younger sister or brother is coming to this world, যারা একটু বড়, যাদের একটা ছোট ভাই বোন আছে, তারা হয়তো নিশ্চয়ই দেখেছো যে যখন বোনু বা ভাই আসে বাড়িতে, তখন কিন্তু তাকে কেউ হিন্দু মুসলিম খ্রিস্টান, ইট ইজ নট বিন ট্যাগড ওভার দেয়ার, কোথাও লেখা থাকে না। দেন হাউ দিস কিডস বিকাম আ রিলিজিয়াস ফলোয়ার? Okay, Shamrik, I hope you should sit properly. Please sit down. Please sit down. Very nice. So, there is no tag. আমরা যখন একটা নতুন জামা বাড়িতে কিনে আনি তখন কি হয়, সেটাতে একটা ইয়েস দামের ট্যাগ লাগানো থাকে, রাইট? বিগ বাজার থেকে, অ্যামাজন থেকে, ফ্লিপকার্ট থেকে আমরা জামাগুলো যখন কিনি তখন কি হয়, ওখানে ট্যাগ লাগানো থাকে। তো ইয়েস, the name of the company is been given over there, the tag is been given, price tag is been given, everything is been given. But does the same happens with a newborn baby? No, nothing has been given. Only a newborn baby is born, and we make, that is the elders, we make follow him. Either it is Hinduism, or it is Muslim, Islam, or it is Christianity, or it is Sikhism, right? So the baby who takes birth in the family, that family's religion is being made followed to that baby. Okay, that means the only one thing that is that we all are human beings. We are practicing something which has been instructed to us. আমাদের বলে দেওয়া হয়েছে আমরা হিন্দু, আমরা মুসলিম, আমরা শিখ, আমরা খ্রিস্টান, সেই জন্যে আমরা কি করি, আমরা ওটাকে ফলো করে যাই, আমরা ফলো করে যাই। আচ্ছা, কি হবে যদি একজন হিন্দু ইসলাম রিলিজিয়ন ফলো করে, আর একজন কুরআন পড়ে, আর একজন যদি কুরআন না পড়ে গীতা পড়ে? Nothing will happen. There is no difference, because both are holy book, and in both the books it has been said, if it has been treated as the holy book, then what it has been said, God is always saying that above all there is humanity. সব থেকে উপরে কি? ইয়েস, ভালো মানুষ হওয়া। তাহলে যা গীতাতে লেখা আছে তাই কোরআনে লেখা আছে, দুটোই ঈশ্বরের কাছ থেকে লেখা, তাই তো? আমরা সেটাই ভাবি যে দুটোই ঈশ্বর লিখেছেন। তাহলে কি হলো, সব থেকে উপরে যেটা, সেটা হচ্ছে হিউম্যানিটি, টু বি আ গুড হিউম্যান বিং। Nothing is more important than that. But as we are following and as we are having some communities in our society, so we should learn or have the knowledge of that part also. Like if I say in our country, usually we know these are the four religions followed in our country. That is Hinduism, Muslim, that is Islamism, Christianism, and that is Sikhism. Two more are there, that is Buddhism and Jainism. So let us add that one also. So here comes your Buddhism and here comes our Jainism. So you can see I have made this circles for some particular purpose. Okay. So these are the important religions which are being practiced or followed in our country. Now let this thread, এই যে সুতোটা, let it be India. Okay. So, and let these circles be beads or pearls. এগুলোকে একটা করে আমরা পুঁতি ধরে নিই। ঠিক আছে? একটা করে আমরা পুঁতি ধরছি। তাহলে কি হচ্ছে? This is the thread. First beat is Hinduism, then comes Muslim, then comes Buddhism, then comes Sikhism, Christianity, Jainism, and at last all together becomes India. All together becomes India. We all live together unitedly in our country. আমরা সবাই মিলে মিশে এই দেশে থাকছি, থাকতাম, থাকবো। Okay? So we are going to live unitedly in this country. We used to live, we are living, we will live with each other unitedly. Right? So now each and every religion is being followed by some faiths. একটা আস্থা থাকে, okay? They follow some prayers in different manner. They have their way of praying God in different manners. So let us now see who worships how. So first of all, if we talk about Hindus. So Hindus are the people who worship idols. Murti pujo hai. Hindus are the people who worship different types of idols. Okay? The holy book of Hindu is Bhagavad Gita. The holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. Yes. And how do they pray? They pray in the form of puja. They pray in the form of pujas and yagyas. Okay, that is their way of worshipping. Yes, that is their way of worshipping God. But the exact motto, uddeshyo ki? Idol, murti pujo, হাত জোড় করে পুজো, যজ্ঞ করা, পুজো করা, সব কিছু কিন্তু একটাই মোটো, দ্যাট ইজ টু গেট ব্লেসিংস অফ গড, তাই তো? ওখান থেকে আশীর্বাদ পাওয়া, একটা সুপ্রিম পাওয়ার থেকে আশীর্বাদ পাওয়া, তার প্রতি একটা স্ট্রং ফিলিং, রাইট? ওকে, সো হোয়াট উই লার্ন, these people go to temple for their worship. Now let's come to Muslims. Muslims follow Islam, and the holy book of Islam is Quran. Okay, the holy Quran. In this also, here people do not worship idols. এখানে কিন্তু ঈশ্বরের বা আল্লাহর কোনো আকার নেই। They are worshipping Allah. Okay, so they doesn't have any idol, কোনো মূর্তি থাকে না, idol. Okay, so they go to mosque. They go to mosque. Fridays are very special in Islam religion. It is considered as the holy day for Muslim people. They go to mosque, and how is been this mosque constructed? Mosques are being constructed, it is having a dome shaped roof. Okay, temples are constructed in various way, but mosques are being constructed and it is having definitely a dome shaped roof with a star and moon on it, right? Okay, so their holy book is the Holy Quran. Now next, let us come to Buddhism. This is the religion who follows, Buddhists are the people who follows Buddhism. Okay, Lord Buddha, I hope everyone has seen the photograph of Lord Buddha. If you have not seen, today only your activity is to go through these pictures. What is temple, what is mosque, what is Gurudwara, what is stupa or pagoda. Okay, so they go to worship Lord Buddha in stupas or pagodas. Their temples, their structures are known as stupas or pagoda. Okay, so let us known as pagoda. Next comes Jainism. Now the people who follow Jainism, they are the followers of Mahavir. He is also a devoted soul, and Jainism, the community who follows Jainism, Jain people follow the preachers of Mahavir. Okay, and even we celebrate a holiday of Mahavir Jayanti. I hope all of you know, and it has been narrated in your diaries also. Okay, so Mahavir Jayanti is being celebrated by Jain people specially. Okay, now their holy book is known as Agam Sutras. Their holy book is known as Agam Sutra. Like Hindus are having their Bhagavad Gita, Islam people are having their Quran. In the same way, Jain peoples are also having a particular holy book that is known as Agam Sutras. And even the Buddhist people are having their holy book that is known as Triptaka. Okay, now let's go for the Christians. And here Jain people goes to Dirasar. Their temple is known as Dirasar. Okay, so their temple is known as Dirasar. Now Christians are the people who follow Christianity. So we celebrate Christmas on 25th of December, and we eat cake and we sing songs and jingle bell, right? So that is specially the celebration of this community that is known as Christians. Okay, Christians follow Christianity. And where do they go to worship? They go to worship at church. Churches are of different types, but one particular thing which a church is having, it is having a cross on its roof and a bell. Okay, huge bell. So it is having a cross on its roof. So Christians go to pray on at church, and Sunday is their special day. As Muslims are having Friday their special day, in the same way Christians are having Sundays as special days to pray God. So they are going to church. Now next comes Sikh, that is people who follow Sikh religion are known, they are Sikhism, they follow Sikhism. Okay, now in this religion they go to worship at Gurudwara. They go to worship at Gurudwara. They go to worship at Gurudwara. I am just rubbing the subtopic so that it can be clear for all of you to understand the diagram properly. Okay? So here comes Gurudwara. In Gurudwara there is no idol. ওখানে কিন্তু মূর্তি পুজো হয় না. They are worshipping their holy book that is known as Guru Granth Sahib. They worship Lord Guru Nanak and 9 other gurus of their religious faith. Okay, so the temple or the place where they worship Guru Nanak and the other 9 gurus, that is known as Gurudwara, and they never worship idols. So Sikhism is the religion where idols are not being worshipped. Islam is the religion where idols are not being worshipped. Okay, next one more religion is there, and they are very small in community, but they are also the part of India, and that is Parsi. Okay, they came long ago from Persia and settled down in India in the various parts, but majorly in Gujarat. Okay, and they are known as Parsis. These people go to pray and go to follow their prayers at the place which is known as Agyari. Agyari. Okay, here even Parsis don't worship any type of idols. They worship, they pray to fire. Okay, a continuous fireplace over there is there, and they worship that. It is also known as fire temple. Agyaris are also known as fire temple. So what I said to all of you is that so many religions are there over here, right? Hindus go to temple for their prayers. Muslims go to mosque for their prayers. Buddhists go to pagoda or stupas for their prayers. Jains go to Derasar for their prayers. Christians go to church for their prayers. Sikh go to Gurudwaras for their prayers. And Parsis go to Agyaris for their prayers. But though there are so many religions, we all are together united, and we are all one country, one religion, that is we are the people of, we are first Indians. What we are? Whatever religion we are following, we have the full freedom to follow our own religion, our own faith, to follow our own messages. But each and every holy book, either it is Bhagavad Gita, either it is Quran, either it is Bible, or it is what? Agatha Sutra, whatever it is, God has told only one thing, that be united. Humanity is the first duty. Now, little bit confusing because you all are very small. So let me explain you this part a little bit in your mother language. আচ্ছা, আমরা সবাই মা বাবার কথা শুনি, রাইট? মা বাবা যেটা বলবে সেটাই আমাদের জন্য সবটা, তাই তো? মা বাবা, টিচার্স কখনো ভুল কথা বলে না, রাইট? ইউ রেসিস্ট দ্যাট ওয়ান। আমরা তো এটাই ভাবি যে মা বাবা টিচার আমাদের কখনোই ভুল কথা বলে না, রাইট? এক্স্যাক্টলি সেই রকমই মা বাবা বা আমাদের যারা গুরুজন, তারা নিজস্ব যে রিলিজিয়াস বুক ফলো করে, মেবি হিন্দুস গীতা পড়েন, বাড়িতে কাউর ঠাকুমা দাদু গীতা পড়ে, কাউর আম্মি আব্বা কুরআন পড়ে, কাউর পাপা মামি বাইবেল পড়ে, রাইট? তো ওখানে যেটা লেখা থাকে সেটাই কিন্তু মা বাবা ফলো করে। মা বাবারা কি করে, বাড়ির গুরুজনরা কি করে, ওটাকে ফলো করে, ওটা ট্র্যাডিশনের পার্ট, দিন মানে দিনের পর দিন ওটা চলে আসছে, তো ওটা ফলো করে। যেটা ওনারা বিশ্বাস করেন, ফলো করেন, সেটাই আমরা ছোটরাও শিখি। তাহলে মা বাবা কি কখনো ভুল কথা বলবে? বলবে না। কখনো কি কোথাও কোনো মা বাবা এটা বলে যে তুমি সবাইকে মেরে আসবে, তুমি সবাইয়ের সঙ্গে ঝগড়া করে আসবে, তুমি খারাপ কাজ করে আসবে? নেভার, রাইট? সেই রকমই ওই বুকসগুলো, যে বুকসগুলো আমাদের হোলি বুকস, সেগুলোতে কখনোই খারাপ কথা লেখা থাকে না, সমস্তটাই ভালো কথা লেখা থাকে এবং সবার জন্যই ভালো কথা লেখা থাকে। সো উই হ্যাভ টু বি গুড ইন্ডিয়ানস ফার্স্ট, গুড সিটিজেন্স ফার্স্ট, গুড হিউম্যান বিংস ফার্স্ট। আমাদের সবার আগে হিন্দু, মুসলিম, খ্রিশ্চান যাই হই না আমরা, আমাদের সবার আগে একটা ভালো মানুষ হতে হবে। আমাদের সবার আগে ম্যানার্স, ডিসিপ্লিন, মানুষের সঙ্গে মানুষের ব্যবহার শিখতে হবে। আন্ডারস্টুড? তবেই কি আমরা সবাই মিলে আমাদের দেশটাকে কি করতে পারবো? ইয়েস, ডেভেলপ করতে পারবো। আমরা আমাদের কান্ট্রির বেস্ট সিটিজেন্স হতে পারবো। And you are the next generation of the country. So, beyond religion, beyond faith sickness, you just go arise and be Indian. Okay? Thank you, students. This was the first part of your hours festival. I will be back along with a new class, second part next week. Thank you.